Dear students, today we discuss about computer codes. Okay, already we told computer understands binary language, and we don't know binary language. We know decimal system, and computer knows binary system. Okay, here some of the coding methods are there to implement in the computer. Okay, see, some of the computer codes are written here. One is ASCII code, and another one is BCD code, and the third one is EBCD code, and the fourth one is XS3 code. Okay, ASCII code. What do you mean by ASCII code? Full form of ASCII is, say they'll ask for 1 mark. ASCII, ASCII, American Standard Code. American Standard Code for information interchange. Okay, they'll ask for 1 mark question. Write the full form of ASCII. Then you have to write as American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, and it is a 7-bit code. 7-bit means how many characters it can hold? 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of 7. This is equal to 128 characters. 128 characters it can hold. 128 range of values it can store. 128 characters, that is 0 to 127. Start from 0 until 127. Okay, and generally, what is the ASCII value of uppercase A? The ASCII value of uppercase A is 65. Similarly, B 69. Okay, 65, 66. Similarly, up to Z. Okay, 90. Okay, say for Z 90. Okay, similarly, lowercase A, the ASCII value of lowercase a is 97, B is 98, and similarly Z is 122. And the ASCII value of 0, numerals we use, 0 is 48, 1 49. Okay, similarly 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 9, last one 9 is 57. So it's like that. It can contain 127 range of values, characters. Okay, see, and even though this includes character set, means already we told character may contain alphabets A to Z, uppercase or lowercase, uppercase already written, lowercase written, then numerals, that is 0 to 9, we have written 48 to 57, like that. In between you have a special characters also, special characters, which are the special characters, whatever is there, that punctuation marks, what do you say, punctuation marks ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಬಲ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಮ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಮ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಯಿತಾ. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಟ್ಟು 128 ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, 7 ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಇದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then it has to convert to the binary code only. Okay, so this is about ASCII code ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 marks short notes they'll ask. Write short notes on ASCII code. Then you have to write ASCII. ASCII, the full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. 1 mark ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then it is a 7-bit code. Then it can hold up to 2 to the power of 7. That is equal to 128 characters. The ASCII value of uppercase A is 65, and similarly the ASCII value of uppercase Z is 90. Okay. For lowercase, ASCII value of A, lowercase a is 97, and the ASCII value of Z is 122. And the numerals, the ASCII value of 0 is 48. Okay. See, you have a table. If you write this much, it is enough, it seems. Okay. Similarly, second one, BCD code. BCD code is a 6-bit code. BCD, binary coded decimal. Okay, BCD means, see, they'll ask for a full form also. BCD. What is the full form of BCD? Binary coded decimal. Binary coded decimal. Yade number, decimal number system, you know that already we have discussed. Decimal number system. What are the possible values of decimal number system? 0 to 9. Similarly, everything will be converted with respect to the 6 bits. To the 6-bit means it can have how many ranges of values? 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 means how much? 64. I think. Yes. 64 range of values. 2 to the power of 6. Okay. Yes. 64 range of values can store in BCD. Okay, that BCD already you know that. With respect to BCD, 8421 code we told. BCD code is also called as 8421 code. 8421 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 8421 6-bit ಅನ್ನೋವರೆಗೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಗೆ ಇದು. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and BCD numbers, binary coded decimal, you know that. 000. Okay, then for 15, 1111, the values. Okay, see, and this is for 0 to 15, 4, and this is 6, 15, 1 to 15 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. Okay, into 12 this is the value for 15. 1 ಬೇಕಾ? 0001. Similarly 15 ವರೆಗೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is called BCD code. BCD short notes ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, then you have to write first of all BCD is a binary coded decimal ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಬರೀರಿ, full form. 1 mark ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, and it is a 6-bit code. 6-bit ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Then it can store up to 2 to the power of 6 range of values, means 64 range of values na ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. Everything should be converted into the binary. Okay. Similarly, EBCD code. EBCD code means extended binary coded decimal interchange code anta. EBCD code. BCD is over. Now EBCD code is a full form. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ full form ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Extended EBCD, EBCDIC. Extended binary coded decimal, binary coded decimal interchange code. Exactly similar to BCD only here, but the range of values will be more, obviously. 2 to the power of 8, 256 range of values, that is equal to 256 different range of values it can store. That is called EBCD code. Okay, see, The same thing here also you can have 842 code. Next also you can bit extra, you can add the bits, right? See, this is FCD code and XS3 code. Add 3 to the BCD, it will become XS3 code. BCD, you know that. For BCD, okay, I can write in BCD 751, 751. XS3 code means you have to add extra 3 for this one, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Right. Then in BCD 4 bit or in 3 bits you can generally write. Okay. If it is 7 can be written as 111. For 111 plus 3 you have to add. Plus 3 means 011. Similarly for 5 101. Then plus 3 011. Then here is 1 can be written as 001. Then plus 3 means 011. Totally how much? Now you can add this one. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, see, 3 1 4 ಆಯಿತು. Similarly this becomes 4. Here 4, 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 3 10, right? Here also 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, for 8, this is 8 and this is 4, 8, and here you will have to get 10. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 0. Okay, this is 10. Like this. XS3 means you add plus 3 to the binary coded. That is called XS3 code. And these are all the computer codes generally we use. Okay, you have to remember 1 marks they'll ask. XS3 code generally they'll not ask. They'll ask ASCII code and a BCD code. BCD code, the table you have to remember. 421 code, 8421 code, already we are taught that one. And extended binary coded decimal interchange 8 bit. The difference is ASCII is 7 bit code, BCD is 6 bit code, and FCD is a 8 bit code. XS3 code is BCD plus 3. BCD plus 3. Okay. See, like this, that example you have written here. Okay, students, by this binary arithmetic and the number system chapter will come to an end. Okay. Thank you, students.